yeah, kind of embarrassed. Okay, so I thought I would give you guys a real life glimpse as to our master closet and the situation on it currently. Yeah, kind of embarrassed, but it needs to get done, and I'm never going to sugarcoat anything because that gives nobody any motivation. So my goal just for today, it's not to make this Pinterest worthy, because I have not gone to the store to get anything because I don't know what I need, and I think that's probably the most important part. I don't want to buy stuff and then return it. So what I'm going to do today is clean it, and then I'm gonna declutter some stuff too. Need to figure out the laundry separation issue, and I think I'll probably go to Home Goods for that, or Target or something. But I also want some bins, but before I buy anything, I need to clear everything out and then kind of start from there. So let's get started. Let's go. be addressed, but you know, I just got rid of a few shoes, and Cadence is wondering why it's so clean in the closet for once. These baskets over here are totally going to be leaving. I hate them. They're from Target. Don't get them. They like stick together weirdly. They are not practical at all. And so those will be going. Yeah, like the fabric or the material on these, it's not worth your time. Don't even bother. But yeah, so I didn't really declutter. I kind of just put things where they're supposed to go. I got rid of a few things that I knew were going to be going. I need to go through all of the clothes. There's clearly a few, and some hats that are going to need to go as well, probably. So all right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like it if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and otherwise I will see you guys in the next decluttering phase. Bye guys.